kayak gini kan di Jakarta itu. Lecing. Kangkung. Ya, halo.
Ini namanya
khas Lombok.
Good morning everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're in Lombok. It's gonna be epic. I've been wanting to go to Lombok because there's no beaches as nice as the ones in Asia, and we chose Lombok because it's easier to access. And today we start off our day by having breakfast. That is rice, fried chicken. This is kangkong, which is very common in Asia, but the kangkong in different parts of Asia tastes different. And especially here, because of the volcanic ash, the land is very fertile. So the kangkong is actually very different. It's very soft and a lot of flavor, guys. If you haven't tried it before, you have to try it. So yeah, let's eat. All done.
Selamat jalan.
Ya, terima kasih.
Nanti saya atur.
Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum. Guys, just now the meal was so good, and that was actually Amalia's dad's. The owner of the house used to work with Amalia's dad. They used to have a travel together in Jeddah in Saudi Arabia, and they used to bring people around for Umrah and Hajj, which is why we have a family friend here in Lombok, which is great because now we get a car and a person to drive us around, and we decided to stop here next to one of the best places you can go to in Lombok, which is Senggigi. And Senggigi is where we used to stay. We came here before. We've been to Lombok before to climb Rinjani, and now we're back here again to visit some other unknown places. Later we're going to show you a few places, hopefully, and we're going to show you our villa as well. The villa looks so good on Airbnb. Not sure whether it's going to be good, but we'll see later. But for now, guys, this view is epic, and you don't even have to go to the Gili Trawangan or Gili Meno to get this view. It is already so amazing, and there's nobody here, guys. Hana! Okay, off to our villa. We are finally at the villa. The villa is so beautiful, and we got this for quite cheap. It's only like 180 quids for how many nights? 3 nights. 3 nights, and there's like 2 rooms, so you can actually feed like 5 people max or 6 people, I'm not sure. But we have 4 of us, and it's just perfect. Let's check it out. And there's a swimming pool. Wow, even the living room is so nice, so comfy. And your very own balai as well. Not balai. Apa ni dipanggil? Saung. Saung. Your very own saung. Apparently it's called berbalik. 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 And you can chill here as well. Oh, nice breeze. And there's a big table for you to eat as well. And there's also a barbecue pit. Fully functional. And the kitchen is well stocked as well, you see. Let's check out what's in the fridge. Nothing! Oh, there's a freezer, but there's nothing in there except ice. And then lots of like coffee, tea, I guess, sugar, and then salt, etc. All that you need to cook. And then there's also an oven here, or is it a microwave? Not too sure. A full functional stove and an oven, so you can bake. And then toaster, rice cooker. There's water as well, very important. Essentially everything that you will ever need. Okay, if you want to know where we're staying, the link is in the description down below. It's in Airbnb. If you use my link, I think you get like a 10% off or something like that. So use that link. Isn't this place cool?
Yeah!
Eventually.
Okay, so that was the house tour. I still haven't showed you guys the swimming pool yet. Maybe that will be later. But for now, Pak, jadi sekarang kita ke mana?
Kita ke apa namanya? Apa saya lupa.
Kemana?
Ke Bukit Malimbu.
Ke Bukit Malimbu.
Iya.
Malimbu. Oke, di sana ada apa?
Kita lihat view pantai aja.
View pantai. Pasti bagus kan? Oke.
Bagus dong.
Can't wait. Excited. Let's go.
Tanjung.
Lucu juga. Gede banget ikannya, satu orang nggak bisa minta porsi.
Okay guys, just now while we were trying to get to Bukit we actually went past this place that seems to sell a lot of like roasted fish. I wouldn't say roasted, grilled fish. And it looks pretty awesome, so we decided to stop. Look at that, guys. It looks pretty cool.
Ini enak.
Ini enak.
Nah, ini kecilannya.
Iya.
Parrot fish.
Tapi ini nanti kan masakannya dua macam. Itu kepala kita bikin sup. Ini dipotong, kepalanya bikin sup, nanti badannya dibakar. Tapi dibelah dua.
Wah, boleh deh.
Ya, ini aja yang besar satu untuk semua.
Oh, gede banget.
Cukup ini.
Ya, nggak kebanyakan ya.
Enggak pas nih.
Mas ya.
Muda. Enak mah. Curang mama.
Mau ini.
Kasih mama.
And this is real coconut. Real coconut. The one in London, not real. Not good.
Enggak, saya nggak demen. Makasih.
And look at that flesh.
Nggak suka man.
Mama coba lihat flashnya. Mama. Good mama. Lihatlah apa yang sedang dihidangkan. Oh guys, it's here. That big fish just now is made into grilled fish, and also the head is now a soup. This is the head. Poor head, poor fish, but good for us.
Pedes kan?
Silakan makan. Wow, that was such a good meal. So full, and it was so spicy, especially this thing. So the trick is, if you don't want it to be spicy, try to remove most of this chili away, because that's what makes it really spicy. So if it's just the vegetables, it's fine, or you can just wash the vegetable in the soup and then you can eat. Don't do that. They say it's pretty yuck, but we do it. My family does it. Okay, next stop. So we are at the next spot. This spot is amazing. This is Bukit Mulamba. Oh, I cannot remember. But I'll let the video do the talking. For now, check out that view, guys. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh no. I think that's a really good hidden beach. And if only you can get there by that kind of boat, you're gonna have a great time. And it's not just that view actually. There's another one behind me over here. And this is the main view where everyone is taking a photo of. To me, that view looks... Oh, wow. Oh, I didn't even see that just now. Oh, look at that, guys. It looks like a bit like Nusa Penida, but probably not as epic, but still pretty good. Look at that, guys. Oh no! Okay, now it's time to roll the drone shots. Maaf ya sering mengganggu. Kalian Instagrammer ya? Wow. Tapi itu memang shot Instagram yang paling bagus kan?
Yeah.
Alright, enjoy! And oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys about this, but the whole reason why people is in this Bukit Malum something is because of that view of that tree Gilis over there. If you haven't heard of Gili Tea, Gili Meno and Gili Air, where have you been? But okay, so that's Gili Tea, I think. Gili Meno, Gili Air, I don't know. Yeah, I'm just pretending like as though I know Lombok so well. But yeah, those are the three Gilis, and they are nearer to Lombok than they are to Bali. A lot of people seem to think that Bali owns these islands for some reason. Not true. Okay, drone shot was good. Tummy is full. The sunset is beautiful. What more can you ask? The view is amazing. Okay, Amalia, say something.
Time to sleep.
Time to sleep. As you can see, Lombok is so beautiful, but hidden underneath this beauty is the hardship the locals had to go through during the last earthquake. As we go further north, we can see places that are severely affected, like this village that has been completely flattened by the earthquake. Thankfully, it is mostly rebuilt and life is slowly going back to normal. We then proceeded up a mountain to go to a place where we can find monkeys by the side of the road and try to get a few shots of them. I know it's a bit inappropriate because of that sad note just now, but let's try to end this vlog with a high note. Guys, this is some random stop in the middle of the road, and apparently here you get a lot of monkeys. Oh yo! Oh my god! He stole the whole bag from me! Real life monkey. Guys, this is called a monkey. They live in the wild and they love nuts. They like nuts. Go nuts! Okay, bye bye! Hey.